Hello, everybody, and happy Halloween. I am playing a little game known as the Black Hot. And why am I doing this, you may ask? For a Halloween special. Here we go. What in the world? Oh, yeah. I went into, practice mode with this character, and holy crap, I am liking him so quickly. Ah. I mean, sure, he's both a boy and a girl at the same time, but who I want to see this? Whoa. Acid spit. That's nice. Oh. Mm. Yeah. Ah. Oh. Ah. Ah, nice. Yeah. Gross. They even have their own victories and defeat poses, which is quite really cool. Anyway, there's like a mixture of both Mortal Kombat and Street Fighter in like one game. Mixed it together, you get this. Nice. For God's sakes. Pequito. Alright. Boy, you lose your head. What kind of place is this? Boy, I can't believe you do that. I'm gonna have to strain your liver through your eyeballs. Holy crap. 14 hits? Excuse me, but are you like Baraka from Mortal Kombat? Get away from me. Hee Nah. Oh, what? Don't you be throwing knives? What the heck was that move that I did? Nah. Okay. Okay, so that was like a parry move. That's cool. Hee. Oh, ah. Ah. No, okay. Oh, hello. Fire. Okay, go. When it goes near him, they lose health. Okay. I don't know how to describe this character. Ah. Ugh. For God's sakes, the knife stabs. Nah. I also don't understand his voice. Oh, fatal. I also love the fatals here. I'll show you here. Ah. God dang, ripped off his bottom half. That's just nice. Oh. Mirror match. Okay. Two bodies. Whoa. Too much information there. Oh. Oh. That's cool. I can do that too. Darn. You blocked it. Yeah. Hey, I made him hit the pipe. Nice. Yeah, into buzzsaw. Ah. I don't get it. Is that the only intros and outros they have? I mean, don't get me wrong. I actually like both their intros and outros. It reminds me of a homicidal maniac. Oh. Ooh. Ow. No. There can only be one. Whoa. Trying to... Yeah, nice try. What? A downwards grab? No. Why can't I? Okay, there. Touche. Ooh. Yeah, no. Ah. Oh. Ooh. He just did it again. Oh. Ow. Why am I stuck in one place? Okay. Burn! Nice. Okay, so this girl is all into spiders. Okay. Fight. Okay, she can hit with the things. Oh. Eight-legged freak. Me don't like spiders. The heck did she just throw at me? An orb filled with spiders? Yeah. Me don't like spiders, but I sure do like Spider-Man. To hit combo. Oh, hi. Nice. Fight. Ooh, man. No. Whoa. At least I jumped over that, but I still get hit. I can only be on ground only. Boring. Oh. Nice. Oh. Ned. Come on, shirtless man. Anonymous, whatever your name is. Fade already. Come on. Ah. There we go. Off goes your legs. Hashi. Gray's more like a farmer. Okay. Me, the potato farmer. Did she just throw a grape at me? Oh. I gotta get out of here pronto. This guy knows how to cook food. Or bake food. Whatever. This guy pretty much is food. Oh, jeez. What did he just throw at me? Carrots. He's all like, eat your greens. What in the world? Nah, what? Think that's gonna hurt me? Oh my god, he did it again. Destroy! Or I think that's what he says. Destroy. Me don't know. He canceled the... How dare you, good sir. I'm gonna have to kick your butt after that. Oh, jeez. He about to kick my butt. It went through the block, yes. That face is starting to creep me out. Don't be laughing yet, it's not over. Till I say it's over. Did I just see something? Okay, maybe not. Is that? Oh wait, that's just on the screen. Okay, never mind. He did it again. Oh my god. He's literally kicking my butt. What the heck is he doing? Oh god, everything's all green. I better not be high on drugs. Oh jeez. I'm gonna die. Ah. He straight up killed me. Oh. You are now a threat to me. You must die. No, man. Oh my god, he blocked it. Nah. Ow, my hand. Yeah. There can only be one. Ah. Nice. 15 hit combo. You tried to throw an orange at me? Annoying orange. Oh. No. Two can play at that game. Ha. It still rolled on. What are you talking about? There goes again with the laugh. Noriko. Who's this girl? Okay, so she's more like the Grudge, okay. Holy crap. Come on, you. Oh. She can squirt out blood, okay. She broke the blade. Nobody breaks the blade. Awesome, into that. 22 hit combo. The frick was she doing? She was all like, ah! And all that. Grudge all the way. You're stuck in the corner. Oh my god, a hand came out of her head. No. Oh my god, she can go all the way back and forth from the screen. And she can dive from the ceiling. What kind of character is this? Nah, she's climbing on the ceiling. Nice. Yeah, go ahead, climb up on the ceiling again, I dare you. No, the fatal, I had it then and there. But then I missed it. Oh, what the frick? No, 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 I swear to god, if I die now. Dang it! You only got lucky. Because you were in that god dang doll. Holy crap. Never mind. Less than Grudge. More like an Ermac. Ugh. No, get off. Can't have you trapped in this corner. Dang it. There can only be one. Well, I messed up. I messed that up. I just love that run. Just I'm a crab running on the wall. Oh. Yeah. May you laugh in peace. Who's this guy? Final. Oh, I see, like final boss. Oh my god, but look at him though. Now I'm not gonna read any of this because no one can, son. Not even me. Why I don't understand. I tried to do some of the voice acting, but I cannot, for some reason. I'm not even gonna read the long paragraphs because they seem to go by real fast. Your legacy, ha ha ha. Even if I can die, no one else will die in my place. You will be the first. Not even me to believe it. This music is getting serious. Holy crap. Look at you. Let's see what you do. Okay, he can teleport. He's just like Montaro. And he can shoot out lasers. Montaro and Shao Kahn in one boss being. When will you let me attack you? When will you let me attack you? I guess the only way to do this is if I just duck underneath him. Then find a way to attack. Okay, dumb AI a little bit. He's just standing in one place. Hee. Look at this. Every time I move back and forth, I can do that. Oh my god, he almost grabbed me. Access denied. Holy crap. Throw me down like I ain't nothing. Whatever. It's you that's going to die. Around 5 seconds left, too. Look at that. Yeah, laugh in his face. Boy, I may have to smack you upside your head. Oh, more of that rock music, yeah. Yeah. Excuse me when I teabag the ground. Nope. Haha. Oh. Ah, dang it. You can't spam into those lasers for long. He has a power coming. It hits anywhere. Wow. This boss is so trash now. So much that you kind of want to play as him. But he's not a playable character. As in, I don't think he is. I don't know. I haven't looked at any of this stuff lately. Couple seconds left. And part of my health is literally gone. Oh, time's up for you. I win by default. Oh, that's cool. It also shows a little bit of story. This is insane. Blood all. I fled. Yeah, that face, though. There's someone you won't be able to kill. What? You must help me stop him. Since this is going by real fast, I'm just gonna show you what I've been doing recently. Wait, my mother. She looks like a normal woman. Hello. Anyway, as I was out, I also got some Halloween candy right here. Which was quite nice. Big packages of it. I went out trick-or-treating, which is quite nice. Hello, pretty little woman. Oh my god, those eyes. He knows what's up. They tried to kill me. What? In every possible way. But you always survived. Was he like the most hated son? One of those beings? Why do you tell me this all for? I gotta take more, whatchamacallem classes, voice acting. Like, all the voices I love in these games are pretty much final, known as the final boss. Access denied. This character I've been playing as, I forgot his name. Animus. That grudge girl. Pekito. Wait, so his soul has been destroyed? Okay, I don't understand that at all. Anyway, that was The Black Heart. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. I am out of here.